In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Facebook friends in one click. So what you want to do is you want to open up Facebook. Once you have opened up Facebook, click on the bottom left and then click on friends. And these are people you may know, but that doesn't interest you. You want to see your friends. So just click on your friends at the top. And then what you want to do is click on the three dots and then unfriend. Click unfriend. So per person, it shouldn't take you more than 3 seconds. And to remove all of your friends, it shouldn't take like more than 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many friends you have. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.